What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another fun video here this time. So Shane works with me. He called me out. He wanted the street race, the old brown truck. He doesn't really understand that thing's a ripper now. He's got like a, what year is that thing? Like a 94, 95 Integra. Bone stock, right? So we all know, none of us think either of these are fast. The Integra's slow, the brown truck's slow. We're gonna see which one is faster. So he challenged me to a race. I told him he's gonna get burnt. And for extra insurance, Ron doesn't know what we're gonna do yet. But today Shane was like, oh, you're probably gonna spray or something. I said, no, I'm not gonna spray it, blow it up. Well, I'm definitely gonna spray it, and that's exactly what we're doing.
Oh, I was hoping for a bigger charger, son.
Well, hey, this is more temporary. So we got the green truck here. We're gonna rip the nitrous off this real quick because it's just a couple wires, and we're gonna put her on the brown truck. We got a bottle here. It's about half empty or half full, however you want to say it, but it's gonna be just enough. So I think we got them gapped with that on all, no spray, but we're gonna put the spray to it just to see. Yep. I don't know how much we're gonna need, but I know how much we're gonna use. Ron thinks we shouldn't even spray it.
I think that we should put the nitrous on the brown truck on a button, and if Chad needs it, use it as a little bump. I think the brown truck's got him whooped as it is. So the problem with that is Shane's not gonna think that we didn't spray it. Even if we don't use it, he's gonna swear up and down we did use it. So we're gonna try to put a lot on him. Not one car, maybe two.
The problem is,
maybe three.
The real loser of this race is gonna be my transmission.
That's all right.
It's already hating life. But we'll just do another one of those. All right, we're up here at the brown truck. We got our nitrous nozzle. Already got a little handy dandy spot for it from the past. So it's probably gonna be one of the easiest nitrous installs ever done. Here, you hold that. Oh, got the right size.
Crescent wrench.
Installing my social distancer kit for when you get gapped. Solenoid. Oh, almost forgot the jet.
It don't need a jet.
This one has to have a jet because it's the way the nozzle's set up, or else it won't seal.
It ain't got no jet in it.
It's a big jet though. Well, relatively big for what it is. I don't know if we're gonna be able to hide this. Oh well. Well, I like that I'm just running this nice steel braided line down the side of my truck.
Ooh.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, she's a little hot, Big Chad.
It's already sparking. Let's run this sucker down here. Got my very cut to length power wire. Look at this. It's like it was meant to be.
Matches the rest of the wiring, dude. It's no big deal. It's all super clean.
Yeah, it's always been my specialty. All right, we got our handy freaking Engage-O-Cedo push button. See if it clicks. Woo! That's the spray. Should we give her a little purge test, Ron?
I'm thinking so, dude.
I think so. We gotta test her.
Better check out the system. Make sure she's all ready to go.
Oh, yeah. We'll just tuck her in here nicely. Oh, you grab me that crescent? She's just gonna hang out right here. All right, hold that Line, you ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Give her one more.
All right, Ron, we got one last mod before we go rip it. Airbox delete. This teriyaki turbski is gonna be spinning. Maybe I should loosen that more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. 56 millimeters of fury. All right, we're leaving the old Dollar General. Crank the bottle on. We're gonna give her a little test.
It's pretty dark in here, but it's the best we're gonna do for now.
We're just gonna keep right now. Ready? I'm about to hit her. Ooh, feel that? I couldn't feel any difference, but you can definitely feel it change. Here, we'll give her a little bit here. You tell the difference? You can hear it. You can't feel it.
You can hear it, but it still feels super slow.
We'll slow down a little bit. Oh! Oh, at the low RPM, dude, you can definitely feel it. Oh man, you feel it on that one?
I felt it.
Oh jeez, we'll hit her right here. We'll hit her a little lower RPM. I don't want. We can't use all the nitrous, or else we are going to get beat by Shane.
Oh, she feels like she's ripping. I still don't know if we have enough to outrun that stock Integra.
No more button. Gotta stay off the button. Woo! Alright. Here it is. See this view? That's all I'm gonna be seeing in my mirror. This is the whip. What is it, Shane? Tell me about it.
97 Acura Integra LS. 5-speed.
Ooh, see a ripper?
Bone stock. Bone stock.
What do you think, Ron? Is it the moment of truth?
It's the moment of truth.
Alright.
I don't know, man. Shane might have a chance at this one.
Alright, we're gonna head on down to Mexico, get a little warmer, and see who's top dog. Alright, we're on our way to the spot, letting her warm up. I got the bottle down there, she's turned on. We gave her a little purge action, so it's about to get serious, man. I'm getting a little nervous, you know. What if I forget to hit the lockout switch and put it on 4-wheel drive? Really got to make sure I'm on my game, you know. The street is the equalizer out here. We're gonna find out who's the boss. All right, we pulled her into 4-wheel drive. Reset the draggy. Got the squeezer here. Ready? Do you have a horn? 2, 3. Baptized him, son. Look, there Shane is, parked in his car. Won't get out. Oh, that's the look at the feet right there. Man, the old brown truck. We thought she wasn't a race truck anymore. Boy, were we wrong. What do you got there, Ron?
We got this street truck award, you know. It's gonna
street truck.
I'm gonna present, oh sorry, race truck. I'm gonna present this to Chad Pickering. I took the thing off it because it said 1986 Model A Club. So here it is. Whoever wants it, come race him.
Thank you. This will be passed on. Sorry, Shane. Look, this is what you could have had, but
Put a whipping on my
you just didn't have enough. But
Whoever wants it, there's only a few rules. Must be a daily driver.
if you got a daily driver that's not supposed to be fast, you can come run me, and we'll see if you can take this thing home until the next guy or me comes and back and outruns you. But that was pretty fun. I think I had you covered. I think I had you covered even without the spray. But I did the math. Looks like the nitrous gained me about 9 horsepower. So you can't beat that though, you know. We're gonna go watch the review the tape now. See how she looked. All right, Shane thinks he's got me. He thinks he's got me without the sauce, but there's no way. But apparently he didn't take me seriously, so now he's out here.
Hey, all I did was take my spare tire
He ain't boosted, boys. He's vacuum, boys.
Ooh, check that
Oh,
out.
she's clean under here, Shane. You jam this thing with rattle cam?
Never actually. Never in my life.
What are we doing?
About to bump that timing up all the way, boy. Bump the timing up.
Give her a little bit of timing right now.
Is this what you learned in the Honda program?
Yes, it
Is
is.
this precise?
I need to take the thermostat out too. Let it run colder.
No, you want that more complete burn, bro.
Nope.
Did you bring a
Yeah, we got some rats on this thing.
Did you bring a screwdriver to pop that air cleaner off?
Nope, just roll it. Pull it off.
Oh, you just want to take it off?
No, I'll pull it off right here somewhere.
Oh,
Oh.
that's not that. Well, you got to get the fucking way up here, son.
Get it all maxed out.
Oh,
Matt, you're gonna have to edit that out, Chad.
ooh, what?
I said cuss word.
Just don't say any more cuss words, Ron.
Oh,
No
dang it.
more cuss words.
Sorry, YouTube.
I'm just pulling the filter off. I guess pop it out right here.
Popper, bro.
Cold air, bro.
You want me to cut a hole in your hood real quick?
Got the old cold air intake now. She's clean.
Nice.
Your air filter's working, Shane.
All right.
It's clean inside there.
There we go.
Couple more hours. I'll even let him hold the bottle, just so he'll sure.
Shane, let's put spray in this thing.
Yeah, let's
It
just.
takes like 20 minutes.
Why not?
I got the thing. You want to put?
Now
You want to?
actually win, huh?
Oh no, but you can try.
Spray it. Let's do it.
We can put
All
the bottle
right.
in it.
All right. After work, we might be putting this nitrous setup on his car. Super easy. I am so confident that I'm going to give Shane my whole nitrous setup right here. So not only am I going fuel only, but he's going to have the boost juice up in here. And I'm still going to serve him up a large Gabbaroni. No cheese. He doesn't deserve it.
Oh, that's snug. That's hell snug.
Well, you're going to want to, I would probably take this
Look, dude. That's just
like,
like
and like
type to
zip-
that.
zip tie it.
That's not gonna close. Got a zip tie right here. With
Make
that.
sure it doesn't. So just to like try to keep it so it can't
Go far.
so it can't come out. You'd be surprised when that thing blows.
Turning out. Well, can you test it? Is there any way to purge it or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can purge it into your intake.
I know, right? That's what I'm thinking.
Here's the switch. You just hook this up to the ground.
Up on the ground.
Find anything under your dash, just screw it. That's what mine was, just to the.
Alright.
Already got on the battery.
That's the negative side, though. Yeah, we're gonna go.
Oh yeah.
Probably go under your.
Oh yeah, we're getting custom over here. Getting custom over here. Oh dude, don't scratch the paint.
Don't chip it up like a roof.
Put the boost juice in it. Mhm. Huh?
I forgot to turn on the draggy, so I don't know what.
Well, we gotta go because this guy's been watching us the whole time.
Let's go.
Alright, little bit.
Man, so that was fun. As you can see, that last run, I gave Shane the nitrous, and I was just fuel only. And I forgot to turn the draggy on, so I couldn't tell when it was a quarter mile, but I went back and looked at it. I think he got me right about 15 seconds, so I don't think I was going any faster than that. So without nitrous on my truck and with nitrous on his car, definitely made a difference. I think it made more of a difference on his car. Without it on my truck, it really didn't change much. But hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, leave a comment, like it. We're gonna have obviously more videos. I'm gonna keep them coming, but for now, it's time to go hang out with Ash. We're gonna go for a walk. So I will see you guys on the next one.